Hey, I'm Nels with Two Wheel Dynoworks. I've been friends with Bill Miller for a couple years now. Been tuning his bikes, and Bill's great because he gives great feedback on the motorcycles. And the most important thing is to make sure we can tune the bike so Bill has more control over the bike to perform the stunts and technical maneuvers with the motorcycle. So we can actually reprogram the fuel mapping of the bike to match the performance modifications done to the engine, the airbox, the exhaust system, to help him control the bike better. So we've installed Power Commander 5 out of a 2009 ZX6R onto the 2003 636. It has 4 injector clips and a TPS tap, and that gave us more tuning resolution to get better control of the fuel volume going through the bike. Horsepower curve climbing up, you can see it's got a nice wave to it, or a not nice wave to it. And here's our torque curve as well, where it actually falls off and comes back and falls off and comes back. And then this was our air-fuel ratio, very wavy. So the waves of the air-fuel ratio match the waves in the power curve. So we plugged into the Power Commander, started tuning, and made some adjustments where we would lean out here, richen up here, lean out here. And now our air-fuel ratio is the red line, which is flat right across on our target. And you can see how it affected the horsepower curve, directly affected by the air-fuel ratio. So now the power curve is nice and smooth, went up from 98 horsepower to 107, and the torque curve went from 44 to 47, but also filled in all the dips in the power curve and made it nice and smooth. So that will translate to a more predictable motorcycle.